Assalamualaikum grade 2. Please open your English book student book 2 unit 4 page number 21. Our today's topic is Turtle's Lucky Escape. This is a story about a turtle who escaped very luckily. Now let's start reading. One day Tiger found Turtle on his land. He was very angry and grabbed Turtle by the flipper. Then he shouted to his cook, "Take this turtle and cook him for dinner." Then Tiger went off to ask his aunts and uncles and friends to come to the meal. The cook chopped up all the onions and peppers, and Turtle did the thing he did best. He began to sing. He sang so well that the cook started to dance. Then Turtle said, "My sweet cook, if you will only put me on the ground outside, I will sing so sweetly." The cook put the turtle outside, and he sang more sweetly than ever, and cook danced all the time. Then Turtle said, "Oh, my sweet cook, if you will take me to the river and put just the tip of my tail in the water, I will sing more sweetly than ever." The cook took Turtle to the river and put just the tip of his tail in the water, and Turtle sang more sweetly than ever, and the cook danced. Then Turtle said, "Oh, my sweet cook, if you will take me to the river and put just the tip of my tail in the water, I will sing more sweetly than ever." The cook took Turtle to the river and put just the tip of his tail in the water, and Turtle's song sang more sweetly than ever. And the cook danced and danced, but soon she heard no singing. She looked down. There was Turtle at the end of bottom of the river, and Turtle waved his flipper and swam away. Now, what have we read in this story? This is a story about a turtle who came on Tiger's land one day, and when the tiger saw that turtle, he got very angry. He was very upset to see that turtle. He caught him and gave it to his cook to cook him for dinner. Then the tiger went to his uncles and aunts to invite them for the meal. The cook chopped the onions and peppers and all the necessary vegetables. And what did the turtle do? Turtle wanted to escape, so he started singing. When this turtle started singing, the cook started to dance. The turtle said that, "If you would put me on the floor outside on the ground, then I will sing more sweetly." In this way, the cook put the turtle on the ground outside, and he sang more sweetly than ever, and the cook danced and danced. Then the turtle said that, "If you will take me to the river and put my tail in water, I will sing even more sweetly." The cook loved his singing so much that he took him to the river and put his tail in the water, and the turtle sang more and more sweetly. Soon she heard no singing. When the cook looked, he realized that the turtle has gone. The turtle went to the bottom of the river and waved to the cook. Now this is some vocabulary of difficult words. After that, let's come to question answers. What did Turtle do to make Tiger angry? He went on Tiger's land. What was the cook going to do with Turtle? He was going to cook him for dinner. Now in the same way, you have to look for the answers and write them on your book. Now come to page number 23. Language characters. Which words or phrases describe cook, turtle and tiger? Make 3 lists. Now you can see these words, right? Sings well, likes dancing, bad tempered, mean, likes swimming, likes cooking, and clever and silly. Now you can see 3 pictures on your book, page number 23. Underneath them you have to write the words that best match with the picture. Question 2 is, write one sentence about each character, and then which character would you like to meet most? Now let's come to the adjectives part. An adjective tells us more about a noun. What is an adjective? An adjective gives us more information about a noun. For example, a brown turtle. Over here, brown is an adjective. You are given some adjectives in the box. Choose an adjective from the box to describe each of these nouns. For example, a sweet song, a fierce tiger, a kind friend. In this way, you have to choose these words and fill in the blanks. Come to page number 24. Past tense. To make the past tense, add ed to the root word. For example, we always add ed in the end of a word to make it a past tense. If the verb ends in e, drop the e, add ed, danced. If the word is already ending with e, we will write only single e. We will not write two e's. For example, tiger yells. Tiger yelled. Right? In this way, you have to find these. You can see start, wave, and look, dance, and shout. You have to find these words in the story, and then you have to write their past tense. For example, turtle jumps into the river. Now, what is the past tense of each word? You can see these words: slam, trip, fan, pat, and rub. Some words double the last letter and add ed. They have short vowel and one final consonant. Now there are some words that end with p, n, t, and b. When a word ending with these words, you will have to double the letter. For example, grab would be grabbed, grabbed. Slam would be slammed, slammed. And trip would be tripped, tripped. Now, choose two of the past tense words. Use each one in a sentence. Over here you have to choose two of the past tense and then you have to use them in your sentences. Now let's come to word study, page number 25. A part of speech tells you what job a word does in a sentence. Verbs, nouns, and adjectives are all parts of speech. Underline the part of speech in each sentence. Now over here on page number 25, you are given some 1 to 6 parts of speech. For example, here it is written verb and after that it's written the girl ate the food. Now we are given verb, so we have to underline the verb in this sentence. After that we are given noun. The sentence says the tiger eats hungrily. Now in this sentence we have to underline the noun. So in this way you have to solve this exercise. Let's come to the writing part. It is easier to write a story if you plan it first. Ask yourself what happens at the beginning, in the middle, at the end. Now, when you over here you have to write the title Monkey's Little Escape. You are going to write a story like the one you have just read in your story. Tiger is angry with monkey, not the turtle. Over here you have to write a story about a monkey. Now the story we have read was about the turtle, but over here you will switch the turtle with the monkey. You will write a monkey went to the tiger's land and then you will tell why is tiger angry with the monkey. Then you will say what does tiger want to do to monkey. Then you will say how does monkey escape. So you all have to keep these 3 questions in your mind and write a short story on your notebooks. Your today's homework is do page 22 question 1 to 6 on book, do page 23 language part question 1, 2 and 3 on book, do page 23 adjective question 1 on book, do page 24 question 2 on book, do page 24 past tense question 1, 2, 3 and 4 on book, do page 25 word study on book, do page 25 writing part on notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you.